Hi, my name is Ankita. Today it's March 7, 2018 and it's live from College of Staten Island in Staten Island, New York City. Me and my son, say hi.
Hi.
We're stuck in this jam, in this snowstorm for almost an hour as of now. I'm like getting a little scared because the cars haven't moved. You can see right here. Can you see?
Yep.
The snow? It is already accumulated to 5 inches. And they say it's gonna go till 9 today. Just pray for me and my son and a lot of other kids.
And my blanket is
Yeah.
in my bag.
Yeah.
My food is, I don't know where's my food?
Your food's in the back.
My
Yeah.
food is in the back.
Yeah.
Because I forgot my food.
Yeah. So just pray for us, all of us, to get out of this jam, get out of this snowstorm, be safe in our homes, because there are other kids in the daycare even now.
Yeah.
The college is closed, but still
Because we
the
have
kids are there.
and the cars even stuck for stone arch. We talking about my car's song.
Yeah, it's creepy. It's scary now. I hope we get
my
home
son
soon.
is scared.
Yeah, and he's scared too.
I'm not scared because the snow is going so fast.
Yeah, the snow is fast. His father's stuck in Manhattan.
Manhattan.
He's not able to come home. I don't know
Because
what's gonna happen.
what's gonna happen, because if the teacher is the kind have a bond. So
I'll keep you posted if we get out of this
look,
storm.
we have a car in the bar
Okay,
and
we gotta go.
stop sign.
Okay,
there.
we gotta go. Say bye.
Bye. Stop sign is coming there.
Yeah. I'll keep you posted.